the best sales is not about trying to convince people to buy your product. It's actually to figure out what is the problem that they're having. They contacted you because they think they have a problem. That could be, in my case, it's usually that they want clients. But it's helping them figure out what is the real problem, because in many cases it's not what they think. They may think, oh, I just need some leads, I just need some clients. When I get leads, then I have clients. But in many cases, it's something completely different, something more fundamental. And so sales is about helping them figure out what is their problem, and then also what is the best solution. And that may even end up not being your product. So then you should refer them to somewhere else, or just tell them that your product is not the best solution for them. That's going to build so much more trust that if and when they do need your service, they're going to come back to you, or even refer you to someone else if they meet someone who does need your product or service. But be careful that you don't just send everybody away, of course. So you have to diagnose the real problem, and also be aware that people, they have objections. So they may say, yeah, this is not for me, or I don't have the money or whatever. And it's really not true. It's based on fear. So you have to be able to see through all that. That comes with the experience, and comes with talking to a lot of people, knowing your market. Hope it helps. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe.